Good day everyone. Today we will going to have a new lesson. Our topic for today is all about acceleration. So last time we talked about velocity and speed. Ngayon pag-uusapan naman natin ang acceleration. Okay? Ano ba ang acceleration? Acceleration is the change in velocity over changing time. So always remember na pag sinabi mong rest, that means stop. Okay? To rest or to stop. That means ang velocity natin ay 0. Okay? So, kapag sinabi mo from rest, pinag-uusapan natin yung unang velocity. Okay? And that is 0. Okay? So, for us to be able to understand this very well, we need to solve for it. Okay? Acceleration can be described into mathematical equation. Okay, another thing sa acceleration is that for us to be able to understand acceleration, pag sinabi mong acceleration, ito yung pagbilis at saka pagbagal ng isang object. So, velocity, pinag-usapan natin yung bilis, pero hindi naman constant yung bilis eh. Hindi naman sa simula, ganun agad yung bilis niya hanggang dulo. So, merong pagbabago yung bilis. Merong minsan bibilis siya, minsan babagal. That is acceleration po. Okay? Now, it can be calculated using a mathematical equation. And it has a formula of A, which is acceleration, is equals to V2 minus V1 over T2 over minus T1. So, ano ibig sabihin nun? Acceleration is for A, velocity is for V2, V1 is for velocity 1, T2 is time 2, and then T1 is time 1. Ibig sabihin, pinag-uusapan natin yung pagbabago ng speed. So, merong velocity 1 at saka velocity 2 at meron din tayong time 1 at saka time 2. We will going to understand it more sa mga susunod na discussion. So, we will try to answer these three questions po. Okay? That's right. So let's try to answer question number 1. The car accelerates from rest to 10 meters per second in 5 seconds. What is the acceleration of the car? Bago natin sagutan to, intindihin muna natin yung tanong. Ang sabi po dito, yung car daw po ay nag-accelerate from rest. Ibig sabihin, from rest, nakahinto siya. Tapos, mandar yung sasakyan. After 5 seconds daw, pagtapos ng 5 segundo, ang speed na ng sasakyan ay 10 meters per second. Ngayon, susolve natin yung acceleration. So again, I would like to use the form method rule. So we have given, here are the givens. So first, ano ba yung velocity 1 natin? Ano ba yung unang-unang nangyari? Ang unang-unang nangyari ay rest. That's why it has 0 meters per second. Ano yung sumunod na nangyari? Tumakbo siya. Ang bilis na niya ay 10 meters per second. That's why po 10 meters per second na nandito dahil dito. Next, ano ba yung time niya? Ano ba yung time ng velocity 1? 0. 0 seconds po. At the start of or at the beginning of the change in acceleration, 0 po yung time. Okay? Ano yung time to natin? Ang sabi, tumakbo daw yung car ng 10 meters per second in about 5 seconds. That's why T2 natin ay 5 seconds. Next, formula, the second part, formula. Ang formula gagamitin natin is A equals V2 minus V1 over T2 minus T1. Solution, substitute lang po natin yung mga value. A equals, ano ba yung value ng V2 natin? Ang V2 natin ay 10 meters per second. Minus, ano ba yung value ng V1 natin? 0 meters per second. Over, ano yung value ng T2 natin? Which is 5 seconds. Minus, minus, ano ba yung value ng T1 natin? Ang T1 natin ay 0 seconds. So to calculate that, 10 minus 0 is 10. 5 minus 0 is 5. So 10 meters per second divided by 5 seconds, the answer is 2 meters per second squared. Ano ibig sabihin ng squared dito? Ibig sabihin po, kada segundo bumibilis yung sasakyan ng 2 meters per second. So, at the first second, 2 meters per second siya. Nung pumalo ng 2 seconds, 4 meters per second na siya. Nung pumalo ng 3 seconds, 3 meters per second, and so on and so forth. So, pabilis po siya ng pabilis habang tumatagal yung oras hanggang sumabot ng 5 seconds. So, ang acceleration niya ay 2 meters per second. Next, let's try to answer number 2. The ball moves 2 meters per second by 2 seconds to 5 meters per second by 3 seconds. What is the acceleration of the ball? So again, intindihin muna natin yung tanong bago natin simulan ang sagutan. Sabi daw, tumatakbo na yung bola or gumagalaw na yung bola ng 2 meters per second sa loob ng 2 segundo. And then, suddenly, bumilis siya. Naging 5 meters per second pagkalipas ng 3 segundo. Ngayon, alamin natin yung acceleration. Again, let's use the 4-method rule. Identify natin yung given. V1, ano ba yung V1 natin? Ang V1 natin ay 2 meters per second. Siya yung unang nangyari. Ano yung V2 natin? Pangalawang bilis, 5 meters per second. Ano yung unang time natin? 2 seconds. Ano yung pangalawang time natin? 3 seconds. Now, hanapin natin yung formula. Ang formula natin ay A equals V2 minus V1 over T2 minus T1. Solution. Napakadali lang po ng solution natin. Ang solution natin, substitute mo lang yung mga nandito na nakuha mo rito. So, ano bang value ni V2? V2 ay 5 second. 5 meters per second. Anong value ni V1? 2 meters per second. Kaya po sila nandito. Over, kaya po may over dito. Anong value ni T2? Ang value ni T2 ay 3 seconds. Minus T1 natin, 2 seconds. So, 5 minus 2, that is 3 meters per second. 3 minus 2, that is 1 meter per second. The answer is 3 meters per second squared. Okay? Let's try to answer number 3. The dog is running 10 meters per second in 3 seconds, then stop by 5 seconds. What is the acceleration of the dog? Given. Ang V1 natin, ang simula nangyari, tumatakbo daw yung aso ng 10 meters per second. That's why siya yung V1 natin or velocity 1 natin. Then, V2 natin, ano yung V2 natin? Ano ba yung sabi? Nung tumatakbo yung aso, ano nangyari? Then, stop. Ibig sabihin, huminto. Pag huminto yung aso, ibig sabihin ang kanyang velocity ay 0 meters per second. Ano yung time 1 natin? 3 seconds. Ano yung time 2 natin? That is 5 seconds. So, identify natin yung formula. Ang formula natin ay A equals V2 minus V1 over T2 minus T1. Solution. A equals 0 meters per second minus 10 meters per second. Saan nakuha to? Dito po. Ang V2 natin ay 0 meters per second. Ang V1 natin ay 10 meters per second. Ang T2 natin ay 5 meters per second. Ang T1 natin ay 3 seconds. So, 0 minus 10, that will be 10 meters, negative 10 meters per second. Divided by 2 seconds, the answer is negative 5 meters per second. Okay? So that is how acceleration is computed. Next. The next topic that we will going to talk about is all about graphing motion. Ano naman tong graphing motion? Graphing motion, it indicates yung paggalaw ng isang object. Kapag ka nakita mo pag ganito yung graph, ibig sabihin accelerating. Pagka nakita mo ang ganitong graph, ibig sabihin increasing you or gumagalaw ka. Pag sinabi mo pag ganito yung graph, you are decreasing or bumabagal. Pag sinabi mo pag ganito, decelerating, accelerating pero pabagal. Gumagalaw ka pa rin pero pabagal. Pag at rest, ibig sabihin ganito, hindi siya gumagalaw. Stay put lang siya. Okay? Let's have some example here. I have here a dog. A dog is moving. Okay? Let's try to answer the questions here. What letter shows the dog that is increasing in motion? A, B, C, D, or E? Increasing in motion. Yung nakikita mong ganito yung graph. The answer is A. Ito po. Next. What is the letter that shows the dog is accelerating? Dapat makakita ka ng ganito. Ibig sabihin, bumibilis yung dog. The answer for that is letter C. Ito po. Nag-accelerate ngayon yung dog. Next. What letter shows that the dog is not in motion or at rest? Hindi gumagalaw. The answer is B. Ito, hindi siya gumagalaw. Flat line. What letter shows the dog is decelerating? Bumabagal. The answer is E. Kasi may curve siya na kagaya nito. Next, what letter shows the dog is decreasing in motion? That's the answer is T. Pag ganun, decreasing siya. Okay? I hope you understand the lesson today. I hope may natutunan po tayo. Thank you very much for listening and God bless.